How do we reclaim our power, Dr. Bruce? What is in our power to reclaim our power?
Yeah. The first thing is this. A fact that is absolute truth and it's always been there and it's just a given truth. Knowledge is power. That's a given thing. I want to say the same thing, but it's more relevant to us on an everyday basis, but it's the same thing. And it says, a lack of knowledge is a lack of power. What you don't know can kill you, okay? So I say, so where's the problem here? Well, we've been given misperceptions. Genes control life. That's not true, but you bought it. And once you bought a misperception, which is actually not true, it's a taking away of power. Perception gives you power. Misperception takes away power. We've been led to believe that the universe is divided into a material realm and an energy realm. That's Newtonian physics. I say, what's the point? Well, the conclusion of separating the universe into matter and energy is this. Things made out of matter can only be influenced by matter. Things made out of energy can only be influenced by energy. But matter and energy don't talk to each other. That's a misperception. And the reason is that is Newtonian physics is a misperception in believing that everything is broken up into matter and energy, because quantum physics, the most valid science, recognizes everything is energy. There's no separation. So I say, why is that important? Well, when you separated matter from energy, first thing medicine did is what? Throw out spirit. Spirit's energy. But the body's matter, so screw spirit, doesn't get involved. Consciousness, oh, that's energy. That doesn't affect your body. So science took out spirit and consciousness and then left you with a physical thing, saying, I'll put you a physical drug in your physical body. And I go, biggest mistake ever, misperception. You are energy. Everything is energy. And what you didn't recognize is your thought energy, which is the energy of the brain, which you can measure with wires on a person's head, electroencephalograph. I can measure the energy. The energy of your mind overrides the energy that constitutes your body. We left the mind out. I said, that's a misperception. Why? It's the mind that controls the damn thing. And then we tell you, no, it's the genes that control it. I go, no, wrong. But you got disempowered because you said, well, then I'm not going to pay attention to my mind. I go, that's when you got messed up. Because if your mind has negative thoughts, it's not going to bring a positive solution. And the idea is about it. Since most of our thoughts are negative and disempowering and self-sabotaging, we struggle in a world because we ignore these thoughts. I say, ignore the thoughts and you will die. Because it's the thoughts that control the rest. Placebo, nocebo.
Hey, have you heard of Essential?